ancient land of Aktobe. It is loved, admired. Legends made about it. Land of boundless steppes, rushing rivers, bottomless lakes. The kingdom of white rocks, inviting landscapes, a corner of pristine nature. The land of ancient traditions, historical monuments, land of great nomads. The unusual beauty of the local places is spoken by the names of the mountains, valleys, lakes, and rivers. Each corner of this region has a special charm and energy. Unique historical and architectural monuments are preserved here. Some of them have already been studied, but many are still waiting for their researchers and pioneers. Welcome to the ancient land of Aktobe, the pearl of Kazakhstan.